Okay, we will now just see how I'm going to sketch this. Okay, so 1 minute. Just I will tell you few things. Just observe these things. Okay, we are not going to observe. Just forget that we are looking at a human character. Observe it on a very plain level. Like just observe what this space is exactly. How is this space? So these are just shapes, and if you correctly register them, you will ultimately and eventually end up making a figure only. Okay, so as I said, do not look towards the forms as if it's a hand, just purely look towards it as if it's a drawing. Okay, like a form. हाँ? तो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखेंगे कि कैसे करेंगे इसको. ओके, ये नेगेटिव स्पेसेस ये सब आप प्रॉपरली ऑब्जर्व करो. अगर कंफर्टेबल है तो मैं बोलूंगी आपको करते करते, लेकिन ट्राई करती हूँ. तो अभी देखो आप लोग. ओके, यू कैन just watch what we are doing. See, there is no need of making detailed eye and nose and everything. You just have to know the correct positioning, and that is enough. If you just make a demarcation kind of a thing to begin with, okay? Then you can, once you have kept it properly, once your structure is properly placed, if your gesture is ready, then you think how much detailing you want to do, and accordingly you can go on adding. Okay, but when you're doing, you have to just keep an eye on proportions, and that's it. If your proportions are correct, nothing is going to go wrong. Correctly look at the proportions of whatever you're looking at. Okay, so as I said, as I already told you all in the session, these kind of sketches, rapid sketches, will help you improve your observation, because it doesn't allow you the space which generally makes you conscious. Okay, and then you end up getting lot of consciousness about your drawing, and you end up not doing it correctly. Okay, so don't enter into that zone. Just do it on a very pure level, even without hesitating or bothering whether it is coming correct or not, because eventually the result is going to be correct. If at all you let your brain to just purely look at it and do not have any prejudices or any preconceptions about anything. Okay, just draw. Bear in mind that we are not exactly trying to copy it. We are just trying to understand the figure and try to make the gesture drawing. So you have to keep on mentally gazing where, which line, how much space is this. It's all space. See, whenever you're dealing with the drawing, it's all about how you are utilizing the space. So we are just demarcating the spaces with these lines, and we are trying to register this placings. Once you've placed your figure now, like I have placed it now, it's little bit gone out. So you have to slowly when you start doing, you will not do this kind of mistakes. Okay, and then you see where you have to give the dark tones and start applying the dark tones. Also, you can wherever you think you need a darker line, you can apply a little more pressure with your pencil, and you can also apply a darker line. Okay, so wherever there is a shade, you can apply the darker line. Now we can see a shade under the cap, so we'll apply it. Okay, so जहाँ जहाँ पे shade दिख रहा है, just apply that shade first. So these lines I'm doing it later on. Initially I just made a light suggestive drawing. It is generally a one line drawing, okay? So if possible do it in single line. That's it, okay? Now I'll just show you the hand part. Just see if you want to make a little details, or let's do the shoe because we did the shoes went out. So I'll just show you the shoes in detail, okay? The leg part, just see. See this method, when you apply this kind of a method to your sketches or your drawing or your observational skills to improve your observational skills, you will see that there is no need of anything else. You just look at things and you end up making them correctly. You don't even need to follow a method like where to start, how to start. You start anywhere and you reach up correctly. Okay, it's only the matter of observation. So it's always advisable that this kind of an approach is always healthy for a student to begin with. Okay, now that's it. You all just observe what I have showed you in the thing and you will implement it for the 40 figures which I have given you. So do it not more than 10 minutes. If you see the video, it's hardly 10 minutes maybe or little more. So 10 minutes, 10 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं लेना है figures के लिए. Okay, चलो करो. Bye bye.